Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Hostinger for your website or hosting, but you don't want to get charged automatically when your plan renews, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the complete guide on how to stop Hostinger's auto renewal feature, step by step. It's super simple, takes less than a minute, and will help you avoid any surprise payments. So, let's jump right in. First things first, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. At the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click that and sign in using your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar menu. From here, find and click on Account Sharing. Now, inside the account sharing section, look for the billing option. It's where all your payments, subscriptions, and renewal details are managed. Click on Billing to open it. Inside Billing, you'll see your active services such as hosting plans, domains, and email services. Next to each service, there should be a status indicator or a toggle button that says something like Auto Renewal On. To stop auto renewal, all you need to do is click the toggle to switch it off. Once you do that, Hostinger will confirm that auto renewal has been disabled for that specific service. And that's it. Your plan will no longer renew automatically. You'll still be able to use your hosting or domain until the expiration date, and after that, it simply won't renew unless you do it manually. Also, keep an eye on your email notifications from Hostinger. They'll remind you before your services expire, giving you time to manually renew if you still want to keep them. And that's how you stop Hostinger's auto renewal in just a few clicks. This small step can save you both money and hassle, especially if you're switching hosting providers or testing different plans. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more quick and practical tech guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.